Hi guys, it's Monty. Welcome back. I am here with a couple of short little sneak peeks for the December release from Scrapdiva Designs. It will be available December 5th on the website. I will have all of the information linked and listed so that you can easily go to the website. You can feel free to use my discount code, which is Polka10. It's Polka 10. I will list the dies that I'm using today, but I won't be able to link them because they're not, available yet. But as soon as they are, I'll have them listed on my original unboxing video. So, all right, let's just jump right in. First one I played with is called Baking Mrs. Claus. This is a cutie, very, very cutie. I've only done one so far, but look at her. Isn't she cute? I love the little bun up there. I tied some twine around it, put a little tiny little reindeer in there. I dressed her, put the dress on her, and she's got like little legging type things on for her, for the bottom. I got some lace underneath on her, trim on her dress. And then I used the apron from, let's see, what set was that? It was from November release. It was, oh, it's part of this one, the Apron mini album. I was able to take the little piece from the little apron, and I was able to fit it on here. So you can see it fits really cute on there. See that green piece back here? That's the apron. So I layered that up on there on top of my lace and the other, the base of the dress. I used a little tiny bow that's part of that set also, and I put it right there. Little gem in the middle. I was able to use my new Peachy Keen stamps to stamp the face rather than paper piece. So, and it was let's see, I used this one right here, the big one. So I think she turned out adorable. So I have her all layered up. And then I also used this new set. It is called Banner Set 1. There are 2 pieces of all these. Okay, so these are a bunch of these all cut out. I just cut them out all in red. And they can be layered up. So you can, like if you see this one here that I made, this is layered. So you get, and if you put up on foam, then of course it will raise it and give you dimension. See that? Okay, so I layered this more squiggly piece. I don't know what to call it. And then the straighter piece on top. And it just gives it more like a folded banner type look. And then I just used a sticker from the sticker sheet from the collection I'm using. I'm using a little bit of Dear Santa and a little bit of 'Tis the Season from Simple Stories on this. This is what I used on this. So I think she came out adorable. So there's my first little share. And then I also used the next, let's see, where is it? Okay, here we go. The next one is called Santa Mini Album. Adorable. Let me show you. So this is the first one I made. I was going to go with, more pastels, and then it was just my first one trying it out. So he turned out cute. Okay, it has all these layers. So you got your, the base layer if you're going to make an album. There's the stitch layer, and then it comes with the hat piece to layer, the beard, the mustache, nose, eyelashes, and then the banner, or, like the border, trim, edge, whatever you want to call it for here, for the hat, and then also for the pom-pom. And then it also comes with these tiny little berries and leaves. So I used all those on there. So that's the first one. And the second one I love even more. He's so cute. So here I stitched on this, on the hat and on the trim piece. I love how this looks right back here. This piece of paper, I cut it out to where it was kind of like a sewn piece anyway. And so then, so I cut it out so I have a couple of different colors on there. And then I stitched where it's actually stitched on the paper, you know, that looks like stitching. So I stitched all around it. And then I tucked some of this really neat trim that I have, that I received on a package. I tucked it down in there for some fur. Then I kind of just wrapped it in a ball up here for the pom-pom. And then I got some stickers and chipboard pieces back here from the collection. And I cut the beard and this out of corrugated paper. I love using corrugated paper. It gives you so much texture. So it's like this. I have quite a few different colors. And then this time I cut the eyelashes out of black. Really cute. And then this bow is also new for this release, and it is called Double Snowflake Bow Set. So there's 2 different sizes, and so this is the smaller one I used here, and I don't know if you can see, but this is some of this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful let me pull a piece out here of this velvety felt sheets that I ordered off Amazon, enabled by Tony Craftbird. Anyway, I got red and pink, so that is what I cut the bow out of, and look how good it cut out. I mean, that's pretty intricate dye right there. Now I didn't, so on this I didn't, the paper itself is sticky back, so you can like stick it onto cardstock or whatever, just or add it right to your project. I didn't peel that off. I just folded up my, you can see kind of a little brown in there. I just folded my bowls over and glued it, and then I just, you know, stacked it all up, so I didn't take any of the sticky backs off of it. And then I used a little brad right there, but it turned out gorgeous, and just the feel of it and the look of it, just the texture. I love a lot of texture on my projects, so this is just, I love it. So I got chipboard and fur and velvety felts and corrugated and all kinds of stuff, and the stitching, I just love that. So I think he turned out really cute. So those are a couple of the things that I have made so far, just to kind of give you a look at what they look like put together. I will be back with more projects to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Get ready for December 5th. That's when they'll be available on the website. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.